Hi! In this video, I don't cook anything or make anything. I just want to share some tips to peel the soybean easily. In less than 1 minute, you can peel the soybean to make tempeh easily without too much effort or time. You get the clean soybean. So that's what the video I want to share today, so you guys can make tempeh easier. So let's stay tuned. Let's go to the kitchen. The soybeans, we soak the soybeans overnight until they become big and the skin loosen. So you have to soak overnight. Just water. Give the water, add the water like double. So this is only 4 cups, but yeah, I put the water double because it will be double. It will be big and lose the skin. I'll be back in tomorrow morning, okay? Well, this soybean, after I soak overnight, so now it's swelling, it's softer and easy to peel. Okay, so the preparation is, of course, your soybean, the soaked soybean, and then in the sinks next beside this is a big bowl. You can use stainless steel bowl. You can use plastic like this. This is I bought from Asian market. The plastic bowl actually to make kimchi, so it's big enough. And then the third and the important part, it's a food processor. I will pull so you can see. Yeah. So this is food processor, Hamilton Beach. I don't sponsor, but I'm using Hamilton Beach, 14 cups. One thing you have to really know, any food processor you can use. The only thing you have to aware is food processor like Cuisinart or Hamilton Beach, you have to use the plastic blade like this. So the dough blade they call. The plastic, not the metal one. So use this. I like this Hamilton Beach because it's big. It has not hole in here. So it's all covered like a bowl. Okay, now we start. You fill the bowl as direction from every food processor company. In here, there's a liquid and dicing max. So I have to put the soybean and liquid maximal in this line. Now we just close it and start. A little bit loud, okay? I will explain again something. It has to be with plastic blade, the dough blade, because if you use the metal blade, the sharp one, it will become smoothie. You cannot make tempeh with that. Okay, continue. Well, this is done. The next batch, I will put timer. I want to know how long this is work. Now, we move this to the bowl. Now I will start using my timer. See? Okay? I will start. To check, start again. And stop. Not even 1 minute, only 51 seconds. Okay? Now we'll see how clean this is. Remove this. if you make tempeh, you know exactly how the look of a clean soybean. And this is a clean soybean. The water clear and soybean clean. So that's easy, that's super easy. So that's the video you watched. It's about the tips how to peel the soybean to make tempeh. It's always that's the problem for people making tempeh, is peeling the soybean. It's tedious, it takes your time, and yeah, I don't like it. So this time the tips you can do by yourself, very easy. I mean, in every household in United States, most people has food processor. So why not you use that to peel the soybean? Easy, fast, clean. So that's the video you watched today. Okay, so thank you to watch my video till the end. And please subscribe if you like it. Please click the like and subscribe and bell button so you won't miss my video. Bye. Thank you so much and see you in next video.